Place the cups or glasses to be used on the active cup warmer while the appliance is on. Before making a coffee, preheat the system and the cup or glass to be used by carrying out a manual rinse cycle. Plug the appliance in at the mains and switch on at the back. With the appliance in standby mode, press and hold the steam button until Eco is displayed. Press the single espresso button to disable the Eco function and single long coffee button to confirm. Finally, check out the coffee recipes on the DeLonghi website at www.seriousaboutcoffee.com to find out more about the coffee drinks you like to make.